Hello everyone, Jai Shri Ram. Today we are celebrating Hanuman Janmotsav, the day of worshipping bravery, determination and devotion. So Hanumanji is known with various names like Bajrangbali, Kesari Nandan and Sankat Mochan. The Sankat Mochan being the favorite among us. The reason why when you are in any sort of trouble, just say Jai Shri Hanuman and all your Sankats, all your troubles will go away. Hanumanji was born to Mata Anjani and Kesari ji and he is the 11th incarnation of Lord Shiva. Now we would like to share some stories about Hanumanji and we would also like to learn some life values from these stories. So as we all know that Hanumanji was a very notorious kid when he was a child. So in his childhood he once went on to eat the mighty sun. But later on when he grew up and he realized, so he went on to make him his guru and learned the most difficult knowledge of Vedas from him.
Jai Shri Ram to everyone. For the rescue of Mata Sita, Sri Ram and Lakshman ji reached to Rishmukh Parvat where Maharaj Sugriv is situated. And Maharaj Sugriv sends Hanuman ji and Hanuman ji transcend into a form of sage. मतलब वो धारण करते हैं एक साधु, एक ऋषि का रूप. सो इसीलिए उनको कहा जाता है विद्यावान गुणी यदि चातुर. वो साधु के रूप, साधु का भेष धारण करते हैं. उसके बाद वो जाते हैं महाराज श्री राम और लक्ष्मण जी को रिसीव करने. हाँ जी, अब सबसे बड़ा काम है कि जाएगा कौन लंका. ये तो सबसे महत्व का और सबसे कठिन काम यही है कि लंका कौन जाएगा. साधु समंदर पार करके रामेश्वरम से लंका तक का रास्ता कौन तय करेगा. तो यहाँ पे हनुमान जी की आती है सिद्धियाँ. मतलब जब हनुमान जी अपनी पावर्स भूल जाते हैं, ये टाइम पे उन्होंने, ये स्टोरी है, हनुमान जी जब उनकी पावर्स भूल जाते हैं तब श्री जामवन जी उनको अपनी शक्तियाँ याद दिलाते हैं कि आपके अंदर कितनी शक्ति है. आप अष्ट सिद्धि नौ, हमारे हनुमान चालीसा में एक लाइन है, अष्ट सिद्धि नौ निधि के दाता असबर दीन जानकी माता. हनुमान जी अष्ट सिद्धियों के दाता है. तो इन अष्ट सिद्धियों को याद दिलाने के बाद हनुमान जी जाते हैं श्री रामेश्वरम टू श्रीलंका. In between the way of Hanumanji, a demoness called Sursa came and asked him to come in his mouth and she would eat him. So Hanumanji used his intelligence and the powers called Ahima and Mahima and intelligently comes in her mouth and just quickly get out, and this shows his intelligence. So उसके बाद सुरसा जी जो है वो प्रसन्न हो जाती है हनुमान जी से और आशीर्वाद देती है. हनुमान जी जाते हैं फिर से. कंटिन्यूज एंड अ माउंटेन कॉल्ड मैनाक पर्वत. अ लाइन इन श्री रामचरितमानस सेज दैट जल निधि रघुपति दूत विचारी तय मैनाक होई श्रमहारी. अ माउंटेन कॉल्ड मैनाक पर्वत in comes in the way of Hanuman ji and says him to take a rest on him, but हनुमान जी अपने स्वामी का काम किए बगैर उनको चैन नहीं पड़ता. इसके बारे में भी और एक लाइन हमारे रामचरितमानस में कही जाती है. हनुमान ते ही पर साकर पुनि कीनु प्रणाम राम काज किए बिनु मोहे कहाँ विश्राम. So this line means I couldn't take rest unless I complete my work of my guru, my Swami Sri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram. This was the story when Hanuman ji, after meeting Mata Sita, starts destroying Ashok Vatika. When Ravana sent his best men to fight with Hanuman ji, his son Meghnad threw Brahmastra to him. Hanuman ji know that how to tackle, how to respond to Brahmastra, but he didn't do that. But the other side of the other story says like this: Ravana set fire after capturing Hanuman. Ravana set fire on his tail, but what he did, he jumped out in the air and destroyed the whole Lanka and in fire. So this shows his adaptability to where show respect and where not, where you have to show your power, where you don't. धन्यवाद.
Namaskar and Jai Shri Ram to everyone. In the continuation of Katha, the next Katha that we are going to share has plot and location that goes back to the battlefield where Lakshman ji got fainted by Meghnad, the son of Ravana. After fainting of Lakshman ji, most of the Yoddhas at the battlefield got scared. At that time, where they suggested a Oshadhi that could normalize Lakshman. So, but the problem was that Oshadhi was only found in the mountains of Himalayan range, and Lakshman ji had only one night to survive. And everyone was knowing that only Hanuman ji can go to the Himalayan and bring the Oshadhi, and Hanuman ji had done the same, because by showing his ability to take courageous decision, and that decision comes by his the skill set to tackle any type of obstacle. After reaching to Himalayas, Hanuman ji got confused in the identification of that particular Oshadhi, but he was firm that he has to bring that Oshadhi to the battlefield. So to tackle the confusion, he suddenly decided to take out the whole mountain to the battlefield, because he has the firm aim that he had to bring that Oshadhi to save Lakshman's life. And we all know that later on Lakshman has killed Meghnath.
Now I will be going to highlight some of the good values from the great Hanuman Chalisa. So सबसे पहली चीज तो प्रसन्नता, हैप्पीनेस, which we should keep in our face and in our life as well. Whether there is any environment, any condition, whether there is miseries or anything which happens in your life, you should be happy, and you should live the present moment each time. Nextly, vanishing the fear in your life. So Hanumanji is considered as a protector for all of the world. Just chant Shri Hanumanji or Om Shri Hanumante Namo and your fear will go away. Nextly, I have the other value called faith. That is the faith. The faith means Vishwas in Hindi. He has the ultimate faith on his Swami Sri Ramji. Now we have come to the end. Wish you a very happy Hanuman Janmotsav from DER family. हनुमान जी आपको सदा खुश रहे, हनुमान जी का आशीर्वाद आपके साथ सदा बना रहे.